Meet the Mississippi ant. Tiny, tireless, and running one of the most complex societies on Earth, right beneath your feet. You probably don't notice them, but in Mississippi, ants outnumber humans by millions to one. They farm, they build, they wage war, and they thrive in ways most creatures can't. So what makes Mississippi the perfect home for ants? It starts with the climate. Mississippi's warm, humid environment is exactly what ants need to survive and expand. Long summers mean longer foraging seasons. Mild winters mean colonies don't have to shut down for long. The soil matters too. Soft, often moist ground makes it easy to dig tunnels, build nests, and protect the queen, the heart of every colony. And then there's food. From forests to fields to backyards, Mississippi is full of it. Sugars, seeds, insects. Ants aren't picky. They adapt fast and eat almost anything. Some species, like fire ants, take it even further. They build massive colonies and defend them aggressively. Others work quietly, recycling nutrients and helping the ecosystem stay balanced. But here's the wild part. An ant colony isn't just a group of insects. It's a superorganism. Each ant has a role. Workers, soldiers. The queen. Alone, they're simple. Together, they're unstoppable. So the next time you see a line of ants marching through Mississippi soil, remember, you're not just looking at bugs. You're looking at a thriving underground civilization, perfectly designed for this place. In Mississippi's heat and soil, ants aren't just surviving. They're shaping the world beneath our feet.